Hello, and welcome back to the AI Free Forever YouTube channel. Today we are looking at a free AI homework helper that can assist students with assignments, explain difficult concepts, solve math problems, and provide step-by-step guidance across a wide range of subjects. Instead of spending hours searching through websites, textbooks, or forums, you can simply ask a question and receive an instant explanation. The tool is designed to help students learn faster and understand topics more clearly. Whether you are working on math homework, studying science, writing essays, preparing for exams, researching history topics, or trying to understand a difficult concept, this tool can become a useful study companion. In a few minutes, we will test it with real examples and see how it performs. The tool is available on AIFreeForever.com. When the page loads, you are greeted by a clean interface centered around homework assistance. Right away, you can see quick options such as solve a math problem and explain a concept. The platform also allows homework uploads, different answer tones, and multiple answer formats to match the way you prefer to learn. Many students already use AI-powered study tools because they can provide explanations, answer questions, and guide learning on demand. The biggest advantage is speed. Instead of searching through multiple resources, students can receive structured answers and explanations in seconds. So, let us see how this tool works. We are starting from the AI Homework Helper homepage. At the top, we can see options for different response styles. There are answer tones such as friendly, concise, detailed, academic, professional, and humorous. This is useful because different situations require different types of explanations. Below that, there are answer format options including paragraph, bullet points, step-by-step, and mixed. For our first test, we will choose friendly tone and step-by-step format. Let us start with a math question. We type, solve 3x plus 7 equals 22 and explain each step. Then, we click the send button. Within a few moments, the AI generates a complete solution. Instead of only giving the final answer, it explains the process step by step, making it easier to understand how the solution was reached. This learning-focused approach is one of the reasons AI homework tools have become so popular among students. Now, let us try something different. This time, we click Explain a concept and ask, what is the difference between mitosis and meiosis? The AI responds with a clear explanation, breaking down the differences between the two biological processes. The information is organized in an easy-to-follow format, making it much simpler than reading through multiple textbook pages. Next, let us test the homework upload feature. We click Upload Homework and provide a sample assignment document. The AI analyzes the content and provides explanations, suggested answers, and guidance related to the questions. This can be especially useful when students are stuck and need help understanding where to begin. The tool is intended to act like an on-demand study assistant rather than simply providing answers. Now, let us experiment with the answer styles. We switch from friendly to academic and ask the same question again. The response becomes more formal and structured. Then we try bullet points format, which turns the explanation into a quick summary that is easier to review before a test or quiz. Having multiple explanation styles is a nice feature because students learn differently. Some prefer detailed walkthroughs, while others just want the key points. A couple of things worth knowing before you start. Like any AI tool, it may occasionally make mistakes or provide incomplete information. Important assignments should always be reviewed carefully before submission. AI works best as a learning assistant rather than a replacement for studying. It is also a good idea to ask follow-up questions. If you do not understand an answer, you can request additional examples, simpler explanations, or more detailed breakdowns. And that is really the value here. Instead of getting stuck on a problem for hours, students can receive guidance instantly, explore different explanations, and continue learning at their own pace. AI-powered homework assistants have become popular because they focus on helping students understand concepts rather than simply providing solutions. So, that is the complete workflow. Go to AIfreeforever.com, open the AI Homework Helper, choose your preferred tone and answer format, enter your question or upload your assignment, and let the AI guide you through the solution. And while you are exploring the platform, be sure to check out the other AI tools as well. There are chatbots, image generators, voice tools, writing assistants, and many more resources available across the site. If this video helped you, hit subscribe so you do not miss future tutorials. We are publishing new AI tool walkthroughs every week. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.